Hi, my name is Vinny McKenzie with Anjon Manufacturing, and today I'd like to talk a little bit about our Flood Series pumps. These are submersible pumps designed for low head applications, and their low suction point also make them ideal for drainage and clean out situations. These are asynchronous drive motors or hybrid drive motors, making them very energy efficient. You can also hook them to our speed controllers to dial back the flow. They have a very compact design as well, making them suitable for just about any skimmer or pondless vault that you may want to put them in. Another cool thing about these pumps is they all have overload sensors on them, so if the water level gets too low and the pump motor starts to overheat, the sensor will actually kick on and shut the pump off before it gets to a point to actually damaging the motor. All of these pumps also come with our 2-year manufacturer warranty. If you have any questions or need additional information, feel free to reach out to Anjon Manufacturing or your nearest Anjon distributor. Thank you.